In this video, I'm about to show you how this conversational AI works. Conversational AI enables machines to engage in human-like conversations, powering virtual assistants, chatbots, and customer service interfaces. At its core is natural language processing, or NLP, which allows the AI to understand and interpret human language by analyzing grammar, context, and sentiment to comprehend the user's intent. These systems use machine learning algorithms to improve over time by training on large datasets of conversations, learning language patterns, common queries, and appropriate responses. Once the AI processes an input, it identifies the user's intent through intent recognition, classifying messages into categories like booking a ticket or requesting information. After recognizing the intent, the dialogue management system determines how the conversation should flow while maintaining context. Based on this, the AI generates a response, which may be a predefined answer, a dynamically created reply, or information retrieved from databases. User feedback plays a vital role in enhancing the system's performance. Analyzing user interactions helps developers refine algorithms and expand the AI's knowledge base. Many conversational AI applications also integrate with other systems, such as databases and APIs, to provide comprehensive answers. Conversational AI combines NLP, machine learning, intent recognition, dialogue management, and response generation to facilitate natural interactions. By continuously learning and integrating with various systems, it aims to deliver accurate and relevant responses, enhancing user experiences across applications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.